Well, hello there. Let's make a quick one-pan dinner creamy chicken and mushroom pasta skillet. It has juicy chicken bites, mushrooms, spinach, and pasta, all in a creamy white wine sauce. Let's get started. First, heat a large skillet over medium-high heat and add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. When that's hot, add 2 chicken breasts cut into bite-sized pieces and season generously with salt and pepper. Cook until the chicken is browned on all sides and almost cooked through, and then remove it to a plate and set aside. To the same skillet, add 1 tablespoon of butter. When that's melted, add the mushrooms and cook until they start to become golden. Season with salt and pepper. When the mushrooms look like this, add 1 diced shallot, 2 cloves of garlic. Cook until that garlic starts to become fragrant and then add half of a red bell pepper thinly sliced. Add 1 tablespoon of each fresh thyme, rosemary, and sage. You can use dried if that's all you have. You could even use 2 tablespoons of poultry seasoning if that's what you have. Keep stirring and cook until the peppers start to soften, about 5 to 8 minutes. And then add 1/4 cup of dry white wine. Scrape the bottom of the pan to release all those flavors. Return the chicken to the skillet. Add 1½ cups of chicken stock, 1/2 cup of heavy cream. When that starts to bubble and come to a boil, lower the heat to a simmer and add your pasta. This is 6 ounces of mafalda corta, but you can use any shortcut pasta. Other types of shortcut pasta could be penne or rotini or macaroni. I only chose this pasta because they look like tiny baby lasagna noodles. So cute. Anywho, squish this down as much as possible so most of it is covered in sauce. Cook until the pasta is al dente.
So fancy!
About 10 to 15 minutes, depending on your choice of pasta. When the pasta is done, stir in a big handful of chopped spinach leaves. Stir until the spinach starts to wilt, about a minute. Add 1/2 cup of grated parmesan cheese and 1 tablespoon of butter, and stir until it's melted and smooth. Finish with fresh chopped parsley and more parmesan. If you'd like to try this recipe, the link is in the description box below. And make sure you subscribe so you never miss when I upload a new recipe. If you like cooking things in one pot, here are a couple more recipes for you to try. Thanks for watching.